Hello, welcome back to another video from PBI AI Agent. In this video, we'll demonstrate a new feature in our latest version, tool calling. In the latest version, 2.3, we've introduced two tools, calculation and web search. We'll test this feature using the same dataset we've used in some of our previous videos. Let's see if Claude can answer correctly with the help of these tools. Here's the question. What is the sum of sales for product Velo in France in 2013? First, we'll try it without a tool. Then, we'll try it with a tool. Okay, let's see. It responded quickly without using any tools and returned 1.2 million. But the correct value should be closer to 1.3 million, so there's a small discrepancy. Now, let's use tools. If you type out in the input box, you'll see the available tools inside the PBI Agent, calculation and web. In this case, we need to use calculation. Let's see how it responds. Great! Here are the results. Now we can see that when a calculation is called, the agent uses the code interpreter tool. The data is processed through a Python interpreter, which performs calculations and transformations to find the correct result. This time, it correctly returns 1,287,000, which is accurate. We can also see that the result was verified through multiple methods to ensure accuracy. That's why it took a bit longer compared to answering without tools. So if you need more advanced data transformations or deeper analysis, you can use a calculation. It may take a little longer, but it runs Python in the background to deliver precise results. Now let's try something more advanced. That is future forecasting. Forecasting isn't natively supported in Power BI, but let's see how Claude, combined with calculation tool, handles it. Let's forecast sales for 2015-2016 for product Velo, based on 2013 and 2014 data. Okay, Claude completed the analysis and here are the results. I did not specify what forecasting model should be used, so it was allowed to figure out what fits best to this dataset. It applied a hybrid seasonal trend model, and the results look quite realistic. For example, it analyzed the 2013 and 2014 figures, 6 million and 12 million respectively. It projected about 60% growth in 2015, giving us 19 million, and for 2016, it projected 40% growth, resulting in 26 million. Quite impressive. And here it also gave monthly distribution to better see seasonality and patterns as well as key insights. Thank you for watching and enjoy using PBI AI Agent.